Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix zero views on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app. Make sure you are logged into it. And while we post any video and we get no views, even after we have got number of views, then we need to fix this. For that, let's get into our profile icon and click on this three-lined icon over here on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and we can see report a problem option over here. Simply tap on that and click on submit a report. Now we need to write our problem here, and once you are done you can add the screenshot or the video of your problem as well, and once you are done simply click on submit. Once the submission is done, we'll get a reply from TikTok and our problem will finally fix. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.